Hi, Brad from WordPress Sites. I just found another really good solution for WordPress. If you're not big on coding, maybe because you just don't have time and you're not a web developer by trade or profession, but you're using Thesis and you're looking for a really easy way to add content or any type of code, whether it be HTML, CSS, PHP, or even jQuery or JavaScript to any location on your site, then the Thesis hook plugins are certainly worth a look. It's a free plugin that's been developed by one of the best Thesis developers, and it's a fantastic plugin. I'll just show you. I've created a map of all the locations where all the different hooks are located on Thesis. So anywhere there's a hook, you can place any sort of code or content. So if you read my tutorial, it's one of my latest tutorials. You see I've created two maps. One's of the home page locations, and the other one's the the post page locations for where all the Thesis hooks are located. So I'll just click on this link, and you can see all the different locations. All these red bits of information tell you which hooks are located where. So you can put code, any type of code, any type of content, anywhere where there's a hook. So there's quite a lot of different options you've got available. So you can't just do this unless you use a hook. So here's all the different locations, and basically if we have a look at the Thesis hook plugin, it's called Open Hook. So just type Thesis Open Hook into the plugins search box, and you'll find it and install and activate it. And this is where you'll arrive after you've activated the plugin, Thesis Open Hook, and it gives you a brief description there. There's also a manual that is created as well, so you can insert any type of HTML, CSS, JavaScript or PHP into any of these locations, and all you do is you put the code or the HTML in here, and you just save it, and it'll end up in that location. So best to check exactly what the location is first using the map that I've created, and then you can just simply put it in here. Okay, let's just have a look at an example now. This is the post map that I've created for the Thesis hooks. If you're wanting to put something after each post, we'll just have to locate the Thesis hook after post. Here we go, here, Thesis hook after post box. So we just stick that in, paste that in. You can also put in PHP code if that's the case. You can execute PHP, but we're not in this case. It's just some basic HTML. It's an example link. So I'll just click on save, and we'll go in the front end and have a look. So here we are. Here it was just called an example link, and it'll be inserted below every single post. Just after the post, so if I click on that was just an example link back to my site. So that's the Thesis Open Hook plugin. It's very easy to use. It's a great way to insert content or code to any of the hook locations on your site, rather than write PHP. Cheers.